Hey guys, it's Abby. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this makeup look. I have a friend's wedding that I'm going to be a bridesmaid in, and this is the makeup look that I will be wearing. So if you're interested in getting to know how to get this on your face, then just keep watching. So to start off, I use this concealer and I just pop it up on my eyes and I blend it in. I don't really use foundation on a regular basis, but if you do, go ahead and do your thing. Next up, I just use this Wet n Wild contour palette and I just bronze up my face around my cheekbones and my forehead. So yeah. Next, I just take my finger and I take the lightest matte shade in the top left corner and I put it on my eyes to set the concealer that I just used. Next, I just take this Au Naturel Wet n Wild palette and I take the brown matte shade in it and I fill in my eyebrows. So, totally not a beauty guru, but yeah, this is what I do. Next, I take this matte shade in the same NYX palette and I take it on a fluffy brush and put it in my crease and I just blend it out until I like it. Next, I take this orangey matte shade and I put it on the same fluffy brush that I was using earlier and I just put it on the outer half of my eyelid and a little bit in the crease. Next, I'm taking this gold shade and just with my finger I'm going to put it on the inner half of my eyelid. I think you can get a way brighter color with this shade if you use water or some sort of spray, but I'm trying to kind of go for a little bit natural look here, so yeah. And then I'm taking this purpley matte shade and I'm just going to darken up the corner just a little bit to add a little bit more dimension, so I take it on the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm going to take these two shimmer shades and highlight the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bone. I'm just going to use the same burnt orange shade from earlier and put it on my bottom lash line. I'm going to take this blush and just put it on the apples of my cheeks. So this isn't drugstore, but a good alternative is the Flower Beauty highlighter palette. I just didn't have it with me, but I just put this MAC highlighter on my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now I'm going to take this Colossal Big Shot. This is the first time I've ever used it and I really liked it. I felt like it added a lot of volume, of course, to my lashes and made them look really full and thick, so would totally recommend. I bought this specifically because it was waterproof and I know I'm going to cry at the wedding, so I'll let you know how that goes on Friday. And finally, I'm going to finish it off with this liquid matte lipstick from Wet n Wild. I believe the shade is Video Vixen. So I may do this kind of strangely, but first I add some chapstick and then I put it on. I feel like it gives it more of a faded look, and I was kind of trying to go for a ombre lipstick, darker in the middle and lighter as it goes out. So we'll see if you like it. If not, you can just put it on normally as you do. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So, oh, look at that beautiful face. Yeah, she's stunning. See you at the end card. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please leave it a like. If you'd like to see more tutorial type of videos, leave it down in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more of this awesome face, subscribe and we'll bring it to you. So, see you next time. Next time I plan on doing a hair tutorial where I show you how to do these little buns to get your hair curly, and also what hair style I will be wearing to the wedding. So, stay tuned. Bye. Peace.